In this video from DelftStack, I will show you how to fix email not syncing on Android using simple and effective steps. If your emails are not updating, the first thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data and that the connection is stable. Without internet, email apps cannot sync new messages. Next, enable auto sync on your phone. Go to Settings, then Accounts or Users and Accounts. Look for the option called Automatically Sync App Data and make sure it is turned on. If this is off, your emails will not update in the background. Now, open your Gmail or email app settings. In the Gmail app, tap the menu icon with 3 lines, go to Settings and select your email account. Make sure Sync Gmail is checked. If it is turned off, your emails will not refresh. If the issue continues, clear the app cache and data. Go to Settings, then Apps, open Gmail or your email app, tap Storage and select Clear Cache. If needed, you can also tap Clear Data to reset the app completely. You should also check for updates. Open the Google Play Store and search for Gmail or your email app. Install any available updates because outdated apps can cause syncing problems. Restarting your device is another simple fix. A reboot can clear temporary network issues that affect syncing. If nothing works, remove your email account from Settings under Accounts, then add it again. This refreshes the connection with your email server. Finally, check your storage space. If your phone or Google account storage is full, emails may stop syncing until space is freed. These steps should help restore email syncing on your Android device. Thanks for watching.